I was in so much pain every day, just getting up and walking, getting out of bed, standing, sitting. I was hurting all the time. And so in the process, I found Stephanie Stevens. Wonderful, wonderful surgeon. She gave me the option to try something prior, some other therapies and so on and so forth, or just go for it if I was mentally ready. I was in so much pain, I couldn't take it anymore. It was like, get me on that schedule, let's do it. My care here has been phenomenal. From the boot camp prior to surgery to admission, pre-admission, everything in the operating area was wonderful. Got up on the floor, the nurses couldn't have been kinder and attentive. I am actually doing therapy here at the hospital with the PT that did my therapy in the recovery room. I have flourished. Last therapy session, he said, this is what most people are doing the fourth time they come to see me, fourth week, and I'm only 2 weeks out. So he keeps having to pull himself back because I'm doing so well. He doesn't want to overdo it. So I am beating all the norms. I am an adventurer. I like to hike. I like to, go places and see new things and travel. So I would love to be able to do that without the pain.